Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a free talking avatar using Leonardo AI and Dub AI. You can use this for YouTube, social media or just for fun. It is easy and I will guide you step by step, so stay with me till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Let's get started. First open Leonardo AI and go to the image creation section. Choose the model or preset option and select Cinematic Kano. In the style section, pick a cinematic and adjust the image setting by selecting 1:1 aspect ratio for better result. Next, type in your image prompt and click Generate. Wait for a moment as it takes time to process and generate the image. Once it's ready, select your desired image. I'm going with this one and click Download it. The image is now downloaded. Now open AI, upload your image and wait for it to process. When it's ready, select voice, but I will go with the AI voiceover option. Type in your text and feel free to adjust settings as needed. Click Generate Talking Avatar and then click Generate. Wait a moment for the process to finish. Once the talking avatar has been generated, click Preview
Hello, I'm Raheem. Nice to meet you.
and then download it.
Hello, I'm Raheem. Nice to meet you.
And that's how you can create a free talking avatar using Leonardo AI and Dub AI. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.